Look at all that okra.
Well, it's not that much.
Who are you feeding this okra?
That is a lot of okra, I know.
And crab. And whatever this stuff is.
That's condo and cassava dough. Banchumori and a brumori.
What do we got in here?
Alright guys, so let me start all over. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm going to be making sauce for stew and soup, okay? So you can do this ahead of time before I'm cooking a lot of food. As you can see, this is my peanut butter soup, my groundnut soup. I'm going to be making, this is my meat that I'm going to be using to make my okra soup. Then I'm going to make regular tomato stew, okay, with chicken. So today I just decided to just go the traditional way, just to use plain tomatoes, no paste, no sauce, nothing, just make my own. So what I am doing right now is I have a lot of tomatoes in here. I think it's more than 6 tomatoes in here, okay? And I have, I'm going to add not just this onion, I'm going to be adding a lot of onions to that. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I have about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I have some habanero pepper in there, okay, scotch bonnet. And then I have my bakushito in there. I have a little bit of ginger in there, about half an inch of ginger in there. And so I'm going to add all this in here and blend it with a little bit of water. I don't need, because of the tomatoes, I don't need that much water. And I'm going to cook this on the stove before using it to make my stew and my sauce. Okay, so stay tuned. I am very I'm so tired, okay? So this is a wrap up of everything. So I have my chicken stew, okay, tomato chicken with chicken stew here. Chicken tomato stew cooking.
Something
Cooking, okay? It's a stew cooking. It's almost done. I have my peanut butter soup that is also already done. Okay, that's the peanut butter soup. I have my okra soup here.
Where are you gonna put all this food?
I have, of course, we made banku earlier on, and this is my omuto in here, rice balls. So my feet is hurting. I've been on my feet, cooked all this food. You can realize how long it's taking. So I just want to finish this, clean up this place, and get some sleep. So and of course I'm gonna eat. So from my kitchen to yours, give all this recipe a try. I have recipes. I have all these recipes on StellaZone, okay? The only thing that I would say I did different, even I have a recipe of tomato stew, but this time I just used regular good old tomatoes, not tomato paste, not tomato sauce, just tomatoes and peppers. I blended it, then boiled it to simmer it, to reduce it, thicken it. So I sort of made a tomato paste on my own, you know, made a homemade tomato paste. So that's what I did, okay, guys? That's the only difference. So thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button. Until we meet again right here on StellaZone. Thank you, Medase. Medase pan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.